Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make some no-bake peanut butter coconut bites. Let's get started. Alright, for this recipe we are going to need 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup flaxseed, 1/4 cup chocolate chips, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 3/4 cup of coconut, and 3/4 cup of oats. We are going to mix all these ingredients in a bowl, starting with our dry ingredients first. Okay, we are going to form these into about 1 to 1.5 inch balls. I'm going to put them right in a storage container right away, and you can put them in the refrigerator to make them a little bit firmer, or you can just leave them right on the counter and all that. They'll be nice and soft for you. Alright, that's all there is to it. You can store them in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. And again, on the counter, they'll make them softer. You can leave them just like that. Or if you want them to be a little bit firmer, store them in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was a quick and easy little snack to make, and it's healthy for you too. I will link another video for you up there. If you want to subscribe to me, click over there. Keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. It's been a while. Here we go. I suppose I should have it focus on my face. Hold on. Smokies. Delicious little snack for any time of the day. Get a little hungry, get a little snack. That sounds really dumb. Let's try again. Oh, yeah. One more outro. Just because. Probably a peanut. Another outro. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was a quick and fast. So quick and fast are the same thing. One more time. Whoosh, to watch, but I can't. Been too long. Take 5. Take it easy. Nope. Wrong again.